My name is John Christensen, and I am the president of the Caisson company. The Caisson company's core competency is drilling holes for light pole bases, for parking lot lights and along streets. We also do bollard protection systems for building protection on corners and garage doors. When somebody needs them super straight and all the same height, they call us to put them in and make sure that they're right for the customer and the end product. It's not concrete contractor's core competency to be putting in caissons and light pole bases where those anchor bolts have to be accurate, squared up, center of the base. With their labor, they're not getting that same quality that we can provide doing it every single day. The Caisson company does anywhere from 230 to 250 projects a year currently. They're anywhere from one base to 200 to 300, sometimes 400 bases on a particular project. A crew size usually is anywhere from 2 to 3 guys depending on the size of the project. We'll go and we'll drill the holes. They'll fabricate the cages on the first day, then they'll come back and set and pour that same amount of bases a few days later once the electricians have their conduits installed and get their inspections. Our skid loaders are primarily used just for the drilling operations. We can move around and maneuver into tight spots and move dirt in and out. We can haul our own concrete into back areas where concrete trucks cannot get into. I'm pretty particular in my operators. Given the way we have to drill holes and move back and forth and keep it 100% plumb, my guys can really feel things moving up and down. We make sure that every machine is set up 100% the same. Dan Hankins with Bobcat of the Rockies knows what we do, how we handle the challenges that we overcame. Having that relationship makes it easier for us to efficiently move forward with expanding the business and keep things correct. Dan has set us up to a point where we get exactly what we need on every machine. He goes through them and makes sure that they're ready for us when he delivers them to us, and we just don't have problems. If I need a part or a piece, I can text him or his staff and they have it waiting for me or my crew when they get to the shop. Pricing isn't always everything. Service makes a big difference, and reliability of the machine. The Caisson company has used Bobcat equipment since day one. Our skid loaders have been reliable. They make things happen that people didn't think was possible.